Hi, I'm Dave Marciniak with Revolutionary Gardens, and today we're going to talk about how to repair yard sinkholes. Sinkholes can happen in your yard over time. There's not a lot you can do about it, and they can make it really difficult to do a great job mowing and can present a little bit of a safety hazard. Luckily, they're really easy to repair. All you need is some good quality topsoil. You want to go ahead and backfill that hole with topsoil, and you actually want to go a little bit above the top of the hole. The reason being, topsoil is going to compress by about 30%. So if you only cover the top of the hole exactly, you'll end up with just a smaller sinkhole in a few weeks when that soil settles out. So remember, do a little bit more soil than what you actually need, and that'll guarantee that you have a nice level hole filled in there. Once that's done, you just take a little bit of grass seed, sprinkle the grass seed over the top, water it in really well, and you're good to go. If you have a much larger sinkhole, or you just have a consistent problem with them, you may have a bigger issue that you need to call a professional in for. But smaller yard sinkholes like this are easy, and you can have these done in the morning and be in the hammock by the afternoon. Again, I'm Dave Marciniak with Revolutionary Gardens, and we've been talking about how to repair yard sinkholes.